Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox this red bicycle fortune do. So let's start. Wow, this is very beautiful. Also, I brought this from Green Park. This is very hard to open. We finally did it. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wait, let's test it. Wee! This is a great size for my doll. It even has a stopper. It can balance. Okay, never mind. Maybe it will balance, but this is looking like a real bike does. Even it can jump. My doll will be so happy. Even there is a pedaling. This is like a real functional bike. So, this is a very great toy. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.